Hello everyone and welcome to Streamlabs and Dlive. So first off, if you want to know how to actually set up your stream and get everything set up, this is what this video is going to cover here. So first of all, we're on Streamlab. I'm just going to go over to Dlive first, just because I need to show you how to set that all up. So first off, go over to your Dlive. And you will see, obviously, first of all, I need you to log in. So log in, create an account, and do all that stuff, and then you'll be fine. So the first thing you need to do is you'll get your normal sort of Dlive sort of page and your channel here. And then what you need to do is you need to click on this little icon, the little camera icon in the top right corner, if you can see it there. So when you press on that, it will take you to this, right? Obviously, I've just done a game here, and I'll black out this part of the screen because this is a bad word sort of thing I don't want to show. You have to enter in a title, what language you are and what you're actually doing on your stream to basically unlock your encoding settings in the bottom there, which will give you a stream key. So as you can see, I've already filled all that out. I did a little stream just to test it out and see if it all works. So I've done a little stream here. You filled it all out. Once you've done that, and you've actually filled all of that in, you click on encoding server information there, and it will give you this little window here, right? This window should pop up. You'll get your stream URL and your stream key, and then when you want your stream URL or stream key, you basically click regenerate the key, and it will give you like so when you actually do that, you get this. And you get, I'm not going to show you obviously what that is, but basically your stream URL there is going to be what's written there, and the stream key is what you're going to need. So basically copy that for me, so I'll do it as well. So if we copy that, so we've copied it, it says copy success in the bottom. Now we head over to Streamlabs. So you head over to Streamlabs, and then you basically click on the little cog next to your name. You go in, and you go onto stream there. And then obviously you can see mine is actually set up here. So what you do is you keep that the same, stream type, stream services, you keep that the same. Now services here, what you want to do is you want to press this icon first. So show all services, and it will show you all of them here. So it will show you Twitch, YouTube, all of that. Now if you scroll down, obviously mine was selected, but you can see Dlive is right there. You press it there, and there you go. You're set on there. Server, you can choose if you want, but just keep it on the default. And as of the stream key, this is where you basically get rid of the stream key that's in here, and you paste the one that you were given, and you put it in there. Then you click done, and there you are. You're pretty much set up now. That is you set up. There is one more thing that I would say though. It recommends that when you go on to your output, you change keyframe intervals to 2 instead of 0. So commonly, the keyframe intervals are going to be set on probably 0 for you. So, but Dlive likes it, so you've got it on 2. So just make sure that you set that to 2 before you stream, and you could turn that off between each one. But yeah, make sure you set that to 2 as well. And then you're done, and then you can stream to Dlive, and then that's it. Okay then, so I hope this helps you out in setting up your Streamlabs for Dlive. That's pretty much how you get the basic things set up. So that's pretty much how you can start streaming and basically, obviously, streaming what you want to play or what you want to do. And if this video gets a certain amount of likes, I'll say like 10 likes, I'll do a video on like how to like get up the pop-up notification. So like on Twitch you can get like a notification that pops up and that sort of stuff. I'll show you how to do that on Dlive as well if you'd like. And I will thank you for watching this, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys, and bye. Yeah, a small little side note I just wanted to add in here just to help you guys out. If you make your account, and depending on whatever you make it with, your YouTube or whatever, and you come onto here and you can't actually edit this, close it all down and just restart it up, because it happened to me the first time around. And if it happens to any of you, just you know, because obviously I can edit it now, so you can change it all. But if you can't actually do that, basically just shut the whole lot down and restart it up, and it will give you all of your stuff. Okay? I hope that's a little bit of helpful advice, because that happened to me. But anyway, thank you and bye.